This website pays you some few dollars to perform specific tasks. So if I take you to this place called Offer Walls, you're going to see there are some stuffs here like you play games, you do surveys and stuff here. So this is also, if you are using an Android, you just click on the Android, then you're going to see some games here. You see some games here, so all you have to do is just click on it. Then you can see the requirements needed. So all you have to do is open the app and play the app, then complete all the tasks given within 30 days, right? So you have to reach level 10 to get 141 or 141 coins, level 15 to level 40, right? So that's basically what you're supposed to do. So all you have to do is just input your email here. So you just type your email there, then they'll send you a specific link to download the app from. You can't download the app from maybe Play Store or App Store or something. It's not going to work. They are not going to send you your coins or money. So they will send you have to input your email so that they'll send you the app link to you so that you'll be able to earn from it, right? So that's basically it. So you move to the next one. If you're done, you just basically have to download all the apps if you want to gain more money, right? So yeah, this is for Android. If you're using iOS too, you can switch. If you're using desktop too, the desktop I think it's only for service. And yeah. So the next thing to earn, or the next way to earn here is by service, right? So you click on the survey walls, you are going to see a list of service here, service here. So you just go through them, then just start the service. So I think the highest here is 428.8 points, right? So you basically go through them, you just click on the start offer, then you start with your service, right? So the the other way to earn here is by watching videos. So all you have to do is you come here, so your loot TV, hideout TV, so you just basically go through them and watch videos to earn some points, and that's all. Then also another way to earn is by referrals. So you just copy your referral link here, send it to your friends and family, and to sign up with your link, then also get some small amount of money in your account, right? So that's basically it. And then if you have any questions, suggestions, or maybe problems, you can just type it here, then people will randomly just answer your question in a couple of seconds or something, right? So to withdraw your earnings, there are a lot of um withdrawal methods here. So PayPal, cryptocurrency, Amazon, Discord, Nitro, iTunes, Roblox, Visa, Steam, and blah blah blah. Yeah, to Netflix, right? So you have, if you don't have your PayPal account, you can just try the other methods like the cryptocurrencies, Amazon, then the other stuff. The name of the website is called Freeword. So freeword.net, then it will bring you to this page, right? So your daily achievements, yeah, they are already here. So all you have to do is just click claim. When you click the claim, you're going to get 50 coins. When you sign up, that is, it will be ready for you to claim. Then you just claim, and then we look here to that's your daily rewards. Yes, I think you get 5 coins or something. Yes, so 5 coins will be added to your 50 coins, making 55. So that's basically it for today. So yes, see you in the next video.